Zim, zam, shabam!
What is that? I think Marty gave you a special present for cleaning so fast. Hi, Sky. Hi, Rebel. It looks like your house is a little dirty. It looks like you're gonna have to do some cleaning.
Hello, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. And Paw Patrol need to clean their house so they can have friends over. Let me get you some washcloths, you guys. Zim, zam, shabam.
There we go. Here's some wipies for our Paw Patrol. Okay, start cleaning. Let's start with our dining table. Gotta get all of these crazy marks off. Everything was so dirty. There, look. Now the table's clean as new. Now let's do the kitchen, Sky. Okay, let's do the kitchen. So we need to do the floor right here, all clean. Big spot over here. And now on the table. There, it looks like you got the kitchen all cleaned up, Sky. Good job. Now we need to do the bedroom and the bathroom. I can help. Okay, Rebel. Let's first clean the sheets. Look, there's stuff everywhere. There, that got all cleaned. Clean bedroom. Now let's clean the bathroom. Look, there's a mark right here on the floor. There's some in the shower. Now what about on this seat right here? Can we wipe that off? There we go, it's coming off. Very good. Okay, now let's do the bedroom, Sky. Okay, I'm on it. All right, let's clean off the bed and this dresser and the ceiling. There, now that's all clean. Now the last thing you need to clean is the living room. All right, Rebel, here we go. There, look how clean everything is. You guys did such a good job cleaning. Now I think you're going to be able to have friends over. Woohoo! Oh, just wait though. Zim, zam, shabam. What is that? I think Marty gave you a special present for cleaning so fast. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a race car. Watch this. Whoa! Whoa! Here we go. This is so fun. Whoa! Okay, you guys. Now let's sit down for dinner. Okay, are we going to have some friends over? Yep, here's Chase over. Woohoo! And we have Zuma and Marshall and Rocky and Tracker. Okay, let's play some music, you guys.
This music makes me want to dance.
This is fun. Look, let's dance, Sky.
Come dance with me.
That's some funny music, you guys. Okay, it looks like that's all of the cleaning and playing we're gonna do today.
That's it for this story, you guys. Now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Woo! And then this is our filler. So we put in our filler, push it down in there. Hi guys, look at this fun conveyor belt we have with our fun Play-Doh friend. And we have Sky and Chase here to help.
Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. And I'm going to help get some teeth for our fun Play-Doh head.
Oh, thanks, Marty. So we're gonna get all of our teeth from our conveyor belt. All right, are you guys ready?
I'm ready. Zim, zam, shabam.
Look at all of those teeth that just popped right in. That means we can put some on our fun Play-Doh man. Let's put some teeth in his mouth. Here we go, look. Look at all of these teeth. There, look at all those. Okay, now we're gonna need some more. Let's pop some more in. Come on, Marty, we need your help.
Okay, let's do a little surprise. Zim, zam, shabam.
Whoa, what just happened? Did you see that? Instead of white teeth, we got all colored teeth. Whoa, colored teeth? Where'd that come from? I think Marty wanted to be a little funny and show you a surprise. So let's put this teeth on our fun Play-Doh man. Here's an orange tooth. Another little orange tooth. Here's a red tooth. Another red. And we got some yellow teeth. Here's a green tooth. And one more white one. There, look at all those funny colors of teeth we have. Oh no. Let's make some room for him so he can close his mouth. Ow! My teeth smell like candy. What? You have candy teeth? This is so fun. Okay, now we need to do some dentist work on our Play-Doh head. Are you ready? Here's our brusher. Brush, 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 brush. Gotta get the front and the bottoms and the back. There, that's a pretty good brushing.
Very good job brushing. Good job, Paw Patrol. Look at our fun Play-Doh head's teeth.
These teeth are so fun. I love the dentist. The dentist is super fun. But it looks like in one of our new teeth we have a cavity. So let's fill it in. First we gotta we gotta drill out the cavity. And then this is our filler. So we put in our filler, push it down in there. And then we gotta take the extra off, push it down in. There, and there's our filled up cavity. Let's do another one up on this green one. Let's get that cavity out. Whoa, 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 that was a deep one. We're gonna need a little bit more white Play-Doh to fill it in. Oh, there we go, look, that was the perfect amount. Now we fix that green tooth. Thanks you guys so much. I love the dentist. Okay, that was fun finding all of your teeth and fixing them all up for you, Play-Doh head. Good job, Paw Patrol.
That was so fun. That was a fun little surprise with the colored teeth too. Now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi guys! Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam! Oh look! Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.